Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to reset your WhatsApp group link. This is how to do it. Open your WhatsApp app, navigate to your group and click at the top to go to the profile. Right here you have to scroll down and click on invite via link or QR code. Click on it. And here you have to click on reset link. It says if you reset, the current link will no longer work for people to join this group. A new link will be created. So when you click on reset, it will give you a fresh new link for your WhatsApp group. So that's how you reset your WhatsApp group link. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.